Hi friends, my name is Angel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm doing this cute little set, just pink glitter, and I needed something more plain. So this is plain but glittery, and this will be a quick watch me work video. And so I sized out my tips, I gave them a buff. I put a coat of Beetle's base coat on it. And also I have a coat of white on there. And now I'm going to put 2 coats of this AB gel in this baby pink color. And then I have this glitter from this brand here. And it is really pretty, but it is literally like glue. It is so thick and full of glitter. So I am going to use a brush to smooth it out. I will need a cleanup brush and some alcohol to clean up any loose glitter, because you don't want any loose glitter in the pink. Okay, so grab a cup of coffee or a drink of choice and enjoy. Hi friends, we're all done. I think they turned out pretty cute. As you can see, I added a sticker to one of the nails, and that's because a pesky rogue glitter got trapped in there. So, what do? You cover it up. So, I added some silver stars, and I think they actually make it even better. So, a happy accident, as Bob Ross would say. Well, friends, this is the end of this video, and if you liked it, hit that like button. I know this was kind of simple, but I kind of wanted to do something simple with this really fabulous glitter, even though it is super chunky and, you know, really chunky. You could almost use it. I don't know. It was a weird texture, but the glitter itself is to die for. So this was my way of using it. Kind of cute. Anyways, friends, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And until the next video, bye friends.